Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the default alarm on your iPhone. This method works for any model of iPhone and any version of iOS. Okay, so first thing we need to do is to locate the clock application on our iPhone. You can see it's right here. In this application you can set the alarms on your iPhone. You can also use timers and stop timers and all the different things related to time. Right, so we tap on it once. Now here you can see my alarms that I'm using daily. Okay, so let's say I want to change the alarm for the first one, right? I will press on it once. Now here you see the sound, and the sound I'm using is not a default one, but if you're using the default one, you can change it from here. So tap on it once, and here you can just choose one of the many available sounds and alarms for your iPhone. For example, this one. It's too loud, so I'll just keep the one I have already. I find it perfect. So that's how it is being done. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Your help is greatly appreciated. Thank you so much, guys.